7 long, unappealing tours later, with hundreds of miles driven and hours in the car, I looked at one college after another, searching for a new place to call home for the next 4 years. Weeks of agonizing questions about my future and not wanting to think about where I was going to end up in the fall finally came to a close. When my mother and I turned off of Market Street onto College Ave, my mindset of the whole college experience changed. With one last college tour came the answer to the question of where I was going to spend the next 4 years, and I knew in an instant Elizabethtown was home. This realization came with a huge sigh of relief. I'd been putting off looking for colleges for as long as I could, meaning I had no time to lose. Within a week's time, I was able to schedule 7 college visits into one long weekend. I knew it was a lot and probably going to be a little more stressful than I had planned, but my mom and I loaded up the car on a Thursday morning and headed out. We decided to go to the college that was furthest south, which was in Virginia, and to make our way back up to Pennsylvania, where we quickly crossed each college off our list. Some of the colleges we visited for a whole day, others we barely made it into the parking lot when I told my mother to turn around because I didn't want to go any further. My spirits were low and I was ready to call it quits with only one tour to go. As we turned into Elizabethtown, my attitude changed. The small brick houses lined the road and blue Elizabethtown flags flew from the telephone poles. It welcomed me like no other college had. As we drove around the campus to get a quick look before taking the tour, I saw happy students and a friendly atmosphere. Once pulling into the admissions lot and going inside, we were welcomed by many bright and smiling faces, all excited we were there. At that moment, I knew Elizabethtown was home.